Hi, welcome back. Once again, I'm welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform, Unacademy. Unacademy is the India's largest online learning platform. Now we are happy to announce that Unacademy is going to providing online training for GATE and engineering service exams. Here, your classes are handled by India's top educators, toppers from IIT, toppers from GATE, okay, and IES toppers, okay, and experienced faculty. These are the faculty members are going to handling your subjects. About myself, I G Venkata. I have 16 plus years of teaching experience. So far, I mentored more than 60,000 students for their GATE examination. At present, I am pursuing PhD from JNTU Kakinada, and my specialization is VLSI design. First, we check how to get Unacademy learning app. Just go to Play Store and type Unacademy in that. By typing Unacademy, it will open the Unacademy learning app like this. Just by clicking this install button, it will install the Unacademy learning app into your device. Okay, now. So what you will get? So by joining this Unacademy, what you will get? See this. First one is daily live classes. Every day you have a live class. Okay, now that live class is taken by India's best educators and experienced faculty. So in live class, you can chat with your faculty or with your educator and engage in discussions. So you go for discussion and you can ask your doubts also and answer the polls while class is going on. So in classroom, every faculty is going to conduct polls during class is going on. Now you can participate in that also. This is about your live classes. And structured courses. See, all our courses are structured in line with your exam syllabus. With your exam syllabus, it is structured in a proper way. Okay, that is going to help you for best preparation. And live tests and quizzes to evaluate your preparation with our regular mock tests. So you can evaluate your preparation. Once you complete your preparation, you are feeling that our preparation is completed. To know that, how can you know that preparation is completed or not? You are feeling that your preparation is completed. To get the confidence, you have to write more number of tests and you have to attempt quizzes. Okay, after that, based on the results what you get in that, you can analyze your performance. Next, unlimited access. Here, so unlimited access is, so once you're taking a subscription, you can access all live classes and recorded courses also. What are the recorded courses available in that? You can use all those recorded courses also. Okay. Now here one more, the comfort, you can comfortably use any one of your device, either laptop, desktop, okay, or CPU, sorry, or mobile, okay, or tab. You can use any one of it. These are the things you are going to get by joining in Unacademy. There are two plans, iconic plan and plus plan. See, first we go for iconic plus subscription. In plus subscription, what you are going to getting is first you get daily live classes. So you can chat with your educator, engage the discussions, ask your doubts and answer the polls. And structured courses. So all your courses are structured in line with your exam syllabus. And third one is live tests and quizzes. So to evaluate your preparation, you need to go for write more number of tests and exact quizzes. And after that, by analyzing that, you can enhance your performance. Now, unlimited access. So once you get the subscription, you get all live classes as well as recorded courses you can use. And device of comfort is your choice. Any one of the device, whatever the device you are feeling comfort, you can use that. These are the plus subscription advantages. Now If you are going to iconic subscription, all the benefits as a plus subscriber, what are the benefits they are getting? You get all the benefits. In addition to this, we are providing personal coach to you in iconic subscription. Here, one-on-one guidance you get from exam top exam experts. Top exam expert is acting as your personal coach. Okay, and he is going to analyze your exam paper and he will prepare proper strategy and learning resources. Proper preparation strategy means they will provide proper study plan to you. What are this proper suitable study plan for your enhancement in your preparation, that will provide, as well as respect to material also they will provide. And study tracker, so in this you can participate in study tracker plan and study booster workshop to evaluate your progress by weekly reviews with personal coach. And mains question and answer practice. Here, strengthen your mains answer writing through regular practice. So regularly you need to practice with evaluation and personalized feedback. So once you answer some questions, it is evaluated by your personal coach. Okay, and they will provide the respective feedback. Okay, these are the additional benefits you get in addition to the plus subscription. Okay, in iconic subscription, as a plus subscriber, what are the benefits getting by plus subscriber, plus these additional subscription, these additional benefits you get as a iconic subscriber. Okay, now we are going to transistor biasing problems. Already we done some problems on this, so just I prevent the problems. So these are the problems already we solved. So already we solved a few problems. Yeah, so now we are going to start this problem. Now we are going to solve this. Now we are going to solve this problem. This is the given circuit diagram. So here you need to find operating point of this transistor. Here two capacitors they given. One capacitor at collimator terminal at 1 by 1 microfarad and another capacitor in feedback resistors. Okay, now first we need to pick the DC equivalent circuit of this. Now I am taking DC equivalent circuit of it first. Circuit. So for that, so for DC equivalent circuit, all capacitors has to be open circuit. So by open circuiting this capacitor, that is 1 kilo ohm, it is plus 15 volts VCC, and it is RC 2 kilo ohms. And in this capacitor, this capacitor also open circuiting. It is also already open circuited this, and now it is also open circuiting. By open circuiting that, it became like this. So this is a 75 kilo ohms, and it is 25 kilo ohms. See, these two are in series. These two are in series. Now, once those two are in series, so this is the circuit. Now, once these two are in series, I am going to replacing this one by a single resistor. 75 plus 25, 100 kilo ohms. Now, your circuit is, now the new circuit is like this. Now, this is 100 kilo ohms. Yes, it is 100 kilo ohms plus 15 volts. It is 2 kilo ohms. RC value is 2 kilo ohms. It is 1 kilo ohm. And they given in the problem VBE is zero point 0.7 volts and beta 49. VBE is 0 0.7 volts. Okay, now just check the current equations. This is connected to base directly. This resistor 100 kilo ohms. Now this is base current IB. This is connected to emitter terminal. So this current is IE. This is connected to, this is your collector, not this. It is your collector. This is IC. Now it is IC plus IB. IC plus IB. So you can take it as emitter current, which is emitter current. Okay. And this is VCA. Voltage between collector to emitter is VCA. Okay. So now we need to calculate operating point of this circuit. Just by applying regular procedure, KVL to input and output loops, we calculate that. Okay. Now, first I am taking this circuit. I am going to apply KVL to input loop. Okay. So, okay. I am taking this circuit. Safe side, I am taking another copy of it. Now, I am going to apply KVL to input loop. So, this is the input loop starting from power supply. Reach the ground. Reach the ground. Now, 15 volts is equals to 15 volts equals to, just applying KVL to input, KVL to input loop, KVL to input loop. Now 15 volts equals to IE into 2 kilo ohms plus 100k into IB plus 0.7 plus IE into 1k. IE into 1k. Now, so we can take IE is 1 plus beta times IB. We know that. At the same time, they given beta is 49. They given that one beta value. See this. They given beta value 49. Into IB. So it is IE is 50 times IB simply. Now once again I am taking this equation. It is 15 minus 0.7 equals to 100k into IB plus it is 2k, it is 1k, 3k into IB, 3k into IE. Now I am replacing IE by 50 IB, that is 100k into IB plus 3k into 50 IB. Now it is 150, it is 100, 250k into IB. So that is 14.3 volts. Now IB is 14.3 by 250k. Now it is equals to 57.2 microamperes. That is the IB value. Okay, so once you know the IB, immediately just calculate IC and IE. So IC is beta times IB. Beta is 49 into IB value 57.2 micro amperes, which is it is a 2.8 milliamperes. 2.8 milliamperes. Similarly, I am calculating IE. 1 plus beta times IB. IE is, which is a 1 plus 49 into IB. So it is 50 times of IB into 50 into IB is 57.2 micro amperes. Now it is 50 into 57.2, that is 2.86 milliamperes. So far we know the values of IBC and IE. Now I want to calculate VCE because our operating point is VCE comma IC. So applying KVL to output loop. Now 15 equals to, just applying KVL to output loop. KVL to output loop. Now 15 equals to IE into 2 kilo ohms plus VCE plus IE into 1 kilo ohm. Therefore VCE is 15 minus IE into 3K. So it is 15 minus IE value. IE value is 2.86 milli into 3 kilo ohms. 2.86 milli. So now it is 2.86 into 3, that is 8.58. So 15 minus 8.58 is 6.42 volts. Therefore operating point is VCE comma IC. We know that, which is 6.42 volts comma IC value 2.8 milliamperes. This is the operating point. Okay. Next, see this next problem. Find the operating point. Beta is very high. So far, whatever the problems we studied, in all the problems they given some beta value. It may be 49, 50, 100, like that they given some value. Here they are saying simply beta is very high. Statement they are giving in place of beta. Then what is the meaning of this? See this. We know one thing. We know emitter current is base current plus collector current. And I am replacing IB by IC by beta. We know that, plus IC. Now it can be written as IC into 1 plus 1 by beta. It is IA. Now they given beta is very high. So once beta is very high, if beta is very high, then 1 by beta is much less than 1. So once 1 by beta is much less than 1, so we can write it as, now from this you can write this is approximately IC into 1. So approximately IC. So the meaning of beta is very high is, therefore the meaning of beta is very high is see, IE is IC approximately, it means IB is approximately 0, is IB is approximately 0, not exactly 0 sir, approximately 0, it is a negligible value, and IE is approximately IC. This is the meaning of this. In next problems you are going to getting this. Okay, some problems we are getting IB 0 and beta is high and very high, they use the term. Once they use the term, then you can take IB is approximately 0. Okay, and IE equals to IC. Now I am going to applying the procedure on this circuit. This is the self bias circuit. So the given circuit is a self bias one. Now it's equivalent circuit. First I am drawing. Equivalent circuit is at input side I am taking RB and VBB. So it is connected to output circuit. Now this is the circuit. Okay. Okay, I'm drawing that. Twelve volts. It is 1 kilo ohm, 2.3 kilo ohms. It is RB. It is VBB. And VBB, and one more. It is VCE. So this is VBE, base to emitter voltage, and this is IB. This is IC. It is IE. Okay. Now VBB value is 12 into voltage across this one is nothing but a VBB. This is VBB. Simply voltage division. So VBB can be calculated by 12 into 3K by 3K plus 6K. Okay. So now it is once, it is 3 times. Now it is 4. So it is 4 volts. So it is 4 volts. It is 4 volts. Okay. And IB you need to take approximately 0, and IE is IC equals to IC. Now applying KVL to input loop. Applying KVL to input loop like this. So by applying KVL to input loop, KVL to input loop, VBB equals to IB 0 into RB. IB into RB. We need to no need to calculate RB because IB is 0 approximately, plus VBE plus IE into 2.3K. Now here IB is approximately 0 and IE is approximately IC. Just substitute that. Now VBB value is 4 volts is equals to IB 0 into RB plus VBE 0.7 plus IE is IC into 2.3K. From this, IC is 4 minus 0.7, 3.3 by 2.3K. So 3.3 by 2.3. That is 1.43 milliamperes. So once you know IC, IE also we know it. Therefore, IE is approximately IC, which is 1.43 milliamperes. Okay. So now I am going to apply KVL to output loop to calculate VCE. Like this. So applying KVL to output loop. So 12 equals to IC into 1K plus VCE plus IE into 2.3K. But one thing here, IC equals to IE, sorry, IE equals to IC. Therefore, VCE is written as 12 minus IC into 1K plus 2.3K, 3.3K. So which is 12 minus IC is 1.43 milli and it is 3.3K. Simplify this. So 1.43 into 3.3, 4.7. 12 minus 4.7, it is 7.28 volts. This is the value of VCE. Okay. So therefore operating point is VCE comma IC, or operating point, and which is 7.28 volts comma IC value 1.43 milliamperes. 1.43 milliamperes. Okay. So this is the way to calculate operating point when beta is given high or very high. See, once they given beta value, you need to calculate IB. But in this case, no need to calculate IB. IB is approximately 0. Your calculation part is decreasing. Okay. So next one. So yeah. See this, for the circuit shown below, the diodes offer a cut-in voltage of 0.7 when forward bias, and a GNR diode offers a 4.3 volts and beta is 49. Find the operating point. Simple. So first, this is our PN junction side, sir. This is in forward bias. N connected to ground. That's why it is forward bias. It is P connected to ground. So this is in reverse bias. GNR diode is in reverse bias. And this is also in reverse bias. So when it is reverse bias, the voltage across this is VZ, GNR voltage. They given it as 4.3 volts. And here is one junction, PN junction, forward bias junction, emitter junction, that is 0.7 volts. Here another junction, that is 0.7 volts. And here another one, GNR voltage VZ, that is 4.3 volts. Simple. Now the voltage at this point is VE, which is 0.7 plus 4.3, that is 5 volts. Now this is the voltage VC, voltage at collector, and this is the current IC. Okay. Now to get the voltage VC, simple it is, just apply KVL. Apply KVL to like this, KVL to this loop. From here to here it is 4.3 plus here to here 0.7 plus at this point from here to here it is 5 volts. Total it is 10 volts. VC is 10 volts, VE is 5 volts. From this, VCE is 10 minus 5 volts. It is 5 volts. Now we need to calculate IC. From this, IC is 15 minus voltage at this point to 10 by 1 kilo ohm. So it is 5 by 1K, 5 milliamperes. 5 milliamperes. Therefore operating point is VCE comma IC, we know that, which is equals to 5 volts comma 5 milliamperes. Simple. This is the operating point. Now, see this circuit using the BJT is shown in figure. The value of beta is, so here you need to calculate beta value is how much. Okay, so beta is nothing but a simple IC by IB. You need to calculate the IB and IC value. Just calculate that, substitute here, your problem will solve. Now this is 1 volt, you are saying voltage at this point is 1 volt, and this is a PNP transistor. It means it is your IE, it is your IC, and this is your IB. Okay, first I am going to calculating IB. So IB is VB by 100k. Simple. VB by 100k. That is 1 by 100k. It is 10 microamperes. Okay, by applying loop to this also you can do that. Now simply I am going to calculating IE from this. Now instead of IC I am going to using IE. See this, how it is. From this you can write IE is 10 minus voltage at this point 1.7. So 10 minus 1.7 by 5k, that is IE. So it is a 8.3 divided by 5, 1.66 milliamperes. Now we know IE. IE 1.66 milli. Now instead of using this I am going to using another one, because I know the IE value. IE is nothing but we know that 1 plus beta times IB. Okay, just use this. So 1.66 milli equals to 1 plus beta times IB is 10 micro. Okay, now this is milli, this is micro, it is 10 power minus 3. Okay, now it is a 1660 by 10 equals to 1 plus beta. From this beta is 165. That's it. So beta is 165. Now this is the option. Okay, just we are calculating the beta value of it. Now see this, beta is large they given. Okay, beta large means IB is approximately 0. IB is approximately 0. That means current from this side is approximately 0. It is also approximately 0. Once current coming from this side is 0, whatever the I you have, that means whatever the I see here, that is equal to this current. And for this also IB 0. That means beta is large. This is IC to this. Now this is equals to IE, this current. So this is, you are saying it as I. Now it is also current I. It is also current I. So you need to calculate this current I. They given VBE 0.65. So they given this is 0.65. And this is also 0.65. Okay. Now instead of going to total circuit, just go for this loop. Whatever the part of the circuit here I have, this I is nothing but this one. Now just to get the Thevenin's equivalent for this part, now I am going to highlighting only this part. Only this part I am going to be taking this. Now Thevenin circuit is, because IB 0, no need to calculate any resistance and voltage you need, and this is the transistor. This is RB. We don't want to calculate that because IB is 0 approximately. Okay, here base current is approximately 0. IB is approximately 0 because the given beta is large, and this voltage you need to calculate. Now this is nothing but a voltage at this point. Now voltage at this point is equals to 10 into 1.65k by 1.65k plus this resistance 1.85k plus this is 6.5k. Now this is the voltage at this point. Okay, now by simplifying that you get V is 1.65 volts. This is 1.65 volts, and between this 0.65 we have volts, and this is 1 kilo ohm. Our intention is to calculate this current I. Just apply KVL to this loop. Now 1.65 is IB into RB plus 0.65 plus I into 1K, and we know IB is approximately 0. Therefore take this 0.65 this side. 1.65 minus 0.65 equals to I into 1K. Therefore I is 1 by 1K, 1 milliampere. Simple. Okay, so this is the way to calculate the problems. Now, so they given two transistors Q1 and Q2. You need to calculate the operating point of both the transistors. Okay, now for reference purpose I am taking the circuit. So I am copying only the required portion. Yeah, see this. So yeah, now I am taking the circuit like this. So the equivalent of this one is yeah. Now I am taking the equivalent of this one is at transistor Q1 and Q2 I am taking the applying Thevenin's equivalent at input side. So the Thevenin's equivalents are like this. For this Thevenin circuit is like this. This is RB, this is VBB2, so it is a VBB2, it is connected to ground, it is VBB2, it is RB2. Similarly for this circuit, RB1 and VBB1. Okay, and automatically it is connected to supply voltage 9 volts. So you need to calculate RB1, VBB1, VBB2 and RB2. Okay, and they given VBE 0.7. Fine, this is 0.7 they given, it is 0.7, it is also 0.7, it is IC1, it is IB1, it is IE2, this is IB1 or IB2. With respect to this, it is going to be next we go to that, it is going to be IE1 with respect to this, and that same thing is IC2. So here IC1 is IE1 is equals to IC2. Now just calculate the values first. So VBB1 is so this is the VBB1 is 9 into voltage across this one is VBB1, 9 into 6k by 2k plus 3k plus 6k, 9 into 6k by 6k plus 3k, which is 6 volts. Similarly VBB2 is, this is VBB2 voltage at this point, 9 into 3k by 6k plus 3k, which is 3 volts. And both the cases RB1 equals to RB2 equals to 6k 3k, 6k 3k 6k, so 6k parallel with 3k, that is 6 into 3k by 6 plus 3k, 6 plus 3, so it is a 3, it is a 3 times, it is 2 times 2 kilo ohms. Okay, kilo ohms. Now it is VBB2 3 volts, it is 6 volts, it is 2 kilo ohms, it is also 2 kilo ohms. Okay, now I'm taking the circuit, I'm copying the circuit what we have. See this? Now this is going to be 9 volts. Okay, now first we have to start from bottom side. I am going to applying KVL to this loop. First KVL to this loop. Let us take loop 2 and it is the loop 1. It is loop 1. Now applying KVL to loop 2. KVL to loop 2. From this, 3 is equals to IB2 into RB2 plus 0.7 plus IE2 into 2K. And here we know that IE2 is 1 plus beta times IB2. Therefore, 1 plus the given beta value. So the beta value they given 99. So 1 plus 99 into IB2. Okay. So it is 100 IB2. Now take that one, substitute here. Therefore 3 minus 0.7 equals to IB2 into RB2 value is 2K plus IE2 is 100 IB2 into 2K. Is 200 plus 2, 202. So IB2 is 2.3 by 202 kilo ohms. Now 2.3 divided by 202, that is 11.3 microamperes. 11.3 microamperes. Now once you know IB2, immediately you go for IC2, which is beta times, because they given for both the transistors same beta times IB2, that is 99 into 11.3 milli, 3 micro, 99 into 11.3, that is 1.11 milliamperes. And I am going to IE2 also. IE2 is 1 plus beta times IB2, that is 100 into 11.3 micro, that is 1.13 milliamperes. Okay, so once you know the IC2, IC2 is nothing but a IE1. Okay, therefore IC2 is nothing but a IE1, which is IE1 can be written as 1 plus beta times IB1. Okay, now 1 plus beta times IB1. Therefore IB1 is IE1 by 1 plus beta, that means 100. So it is IC2 value 1.11 milli by 1 plus beta is 100. Okay, now it is 11.1 microamperes. Once you know the IB1, immediately you go to IC1. Therefore IC1 is beta times IB1. So beta times is 99 into IB1 is 11.1 micro. So 99 into 11.1, that is 1.09 milliamperes. That is the IC1. So once you know all the currents, okay, just go and apply the KVL to the output loop. Okay, so before going to calculating output loop, I am going to applying, okay, first I am copying this circuit. Now see this. Here This is VCE1 and this is VCE2. Just I am going to apply KVL to output loop. KVL to output loop. From this output loop. This is what we are getting. 9 equals to IC1 into the resistance value is 0.5 kilo ohms. 0.5 kilo ohms plus VCE1 plus VCE2 plus IE2 into, and that resistance is 2 kilo ohms. 2 kilo ohms. Okay, that is 2 kilo ohms. So in this equation we have two unknowns, VCE1 and VCE2, but we know the values of IC1 and IC2. First, from this I am going to calculating this. VCE1 plus VCE2 is 9 minus IC1 value is IC1 and IE2. IC1 is 1.09 milli, 1.09 milli, milli into 0.5 K minus IE2. IE2 value is 1.13 milli. 1.13 milli into 2 kilo ohms. Now I am simplifying that. Therefore VCE1 plus VCE2 is 9 minus 1.09 into 0.5, that is 0.545 minus 1.13 into 2.26, so which is plus 0.545 is minus 9, it is 6.195. So far we know VCE1 plus VCE2 equals to 6.195 volts. Okay, now we need to get another relation. So for that I am going to choosing another loop. See this is the loop I am going to be choosing. Following this. Okay, now from this is I am taking as loop 1. So therefore from loop 1, from applying KVL to loop 1, KVL to loop 1. So now it is 6 volts equals to IB1 into RB1 plus 0.7 plus VCE2 plus IE2 into 2 kilo ohms. So now we know IB1 and RB1 and all this. Now from this I am writing VCE2 equals to 6 minus IB1 into RB1 minus 0.7 minus IE2 into 2K. So it is 6 minus IB1 into RB1. So we know IB1 value. So IB1 is 11.1 micro. 11.1 micro. Okay. 11.1 micro into RB1, it is 2 kilo ohms, minus 0.7 minus IE2 into 2K. Already we calculated IE2 into 2K here. Okay, that is 9 minus this one minus this one, IE2 into 2K, it is 2.26. Now it is 6 minus 11.1 into 2, it is 11.1 into 2, so 22.2 millivolts. So that is 0.022 volts minus 0.7 minus 2.26. So it is 0.722 plus 2.26 minus 6, it is 3.018. This is the value of VCE2. Now take that. So therefore VCE1 equals to 6.195 minus VCE2. That is 6.195 minus 3.018. So 6.195 minus 3.018. That is 3.177 volts. Okay, these are the values. So VCE1, VCE2. Okay, VCE2 is over. At the same time, we calculated IC2. IC2 is IE1. So IC2 and IC1 also over. Okay, therefore operating points is Q1. Operating point of first transistor is VCE1 comma IC1, and operating point of Q2 is VCE2 comma IC2. IC2. Okay, so this is the way of solving the problems. Clear? So next session we go to the remaining problems. Thank you. Thanks for spending your time with us. Now, here are the top educators from Unacademy. Tiwari sir, he is the IIT topper. Ankit Goyal sir, he obtained 2 times All India first rank in GATE Electrical, and he was awarded President of India Gold Medal in IIT Indore. Jaspal Singh sir, he is ex-IAS officer and he got All India 4th rank. He is the ex-senior Medici faculty. Sanchit Jain sir, he is a computer science faculty having more than 8 years of teaching experience. Here are few more top faculty, top educators from Unacademy. Here are few more from different departments. These are the different disciplines available in Unacademy for a GATE and engineering service. Now, plus plan and iconic plan. In plus plan and iconic plan, both the case, India's best educators are handling your subjects. Interactive live classes are there. Structured courses and PDFs. Live tests and quizzes are there. Here also. Now, here we are going to showing the difference between plus and iconic. Once you written test, it was forwarded to your personal coach. He done the personalized test analysis on that. Based on that, they prepare study planner and respect to study material also to you. By following these two effectively, every student can get success in their examinations. So these are the plus plan. So it is available in 1 month subscription, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 and 2 years. As a faculty, I recommend the students to take minimum 1 year. Okay, now by using my code VROUT10 during subscription, you get it by 27,225 rupees. Okay, and here EMI option also available. Next, in iconic plan, there is a 1 year subscription and 2 year subscriptions. For 1 year, it is 50,250 rupees. By using my code, you get it by 10% discount. It is at 45,225 rupees. By using my code VROUT10 during subscription. Don't forget to use my code VROUT10 during subscription. Subscribers, hit the bell icon for getting notifications. Please give your valuable comments on YouTube and join our Telegram group for getting latest updates on our upcoming videos. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. And once again, I'm welcoming you all to this beautiful online learning platform. And we must thank to Unacademy to provide such a beautiful facility to you to share our knowledge and to interact with you. Thank you.